Today's quick tech tip is about embedding timers and using timers in the classroom. So timers can help us plan ahead, they can help us keep lessons on track, and creativity needs parameters, and using time is one of the things that we can do to add parameters to that creativity. So 2 quick tips. We have a Google search or embed in slides. So we'll do a Google search, and I'm going to write here 2-minute timer, and then immediately it comes up with a 2-minute timer and it starts. So in less than 2 minutes I should be done with this video. We hope. So if I go back to here, that's one quick way to find timers. If I have a slide here that I've created for partner sharing, and I just found this image by insert image, search the web, and I searched stick figure high five and found it real quickly. So I want to insert a video in my slideshow. So I'm going to search a video here. I want them to partner share for 4 minutes. So I find a 4-minute timer, and you always want to read these and see what it has at the end. Like this one changes color, this one ends with a gentle beep, some end with like a giant siren, so you have to read and pick the one you like the best. I'm going to do the changing colors one. So I have a 4-minute countdown here, so when I present this slide and they're going to be partner sharing, I hit play on my YouTube video and it counts down for us. Some of them will play a song, they have it built in. Like I said, some will beep at the end, some beep at the beginning, but it helps us time things in the classroom. So here's another example of a slide I have for a presentation coming up. We're going to spend 3 minutes talking about perspective and framing. And then here's another one where I had groups working on designing a thesis statement for an argument for a group debate. And they had 10 minutes to work on it, and I embedded that. How much time do I have left? 17 seconds. The last quick tip is, instead of embedding a timer, you could insert a YouTube song that's about 4 minutes long, and they'd be done when the song's over. Have a great day.